The dogs are one of the most beautiful animals in this world. Most of the people in this world love dogs. They are very honest by nature and most believers of his masters. In this particular video, you will see some clippings as evidence. In this particular footage, you can see the sweet bonding between a little girl and his dog. This one is laying on his master's lap and pulling his clothes. Don't fight, guys. Here again he is seen as a guide of his friend. And watch this footage very carefully. In this footage, dog rescued a little girl of his master's when she was drawn by seawater. Do you think is this a blanket? No, you are wrong. Dog is very much figure conscious, so that he is doing his exercise to keep fit himself. What can be the easiest way to burn fat while I am taking fatty food? Don't leave me alone. I will cut a scooty and I will catch you right away. Someone said very precious words. Make any mistake, you should regret for that. Don't take any credit what you could not do. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and to give a thumbs up. Thank you. Thanks for watching.